So friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing if you guys facing oops there seems to be a problem, please try again later, TRW7 error problem in your Gcash app. If you guys facing this problem when you opening your Gcash, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing how to fix this error problem or why this problem is coming. So guys, do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, follow the steps. The first step is you have to open your Play Store, and when you opening your Play Store you have to search for Gcash app here. Okay, after clicking on this search button you have to search for the Gcash app, and after searching for Gcash app here, if the update button is shows on your Gcash app, so guys you have to update your Gcash app, and if not, so guys you have to go to your home screen of your phone, and if the update is showing, so you have to update your Gcash app. So now we are going on the home screen. After come back to your home screen, you have to click on the settings button of your phone, and after selecting the settings button there are many options will be seen. So guys you have to search for apps option here, and when you scroll down, so you have to click on this apps option. After clicking on this apps option you have to select the manage apps button, and when you click on this manage apps button the installed apps list will be shown on the page. So guys you have to search for Gcash here, and after searching for Gcash, click on the Gcash app, then click on the storage button of Gcash, and after clicking on this storage button the clear data option will be shown on your page. So guys you have to click on the clear data button, select clear cache and press OK, and second time click on the clear data button and click on the OK button. Now go to the home screen of your phone, and after going on the home screen, so you have to open your Gcash app and trying to opening, your problem will be solved, but this error will be shown on your Gcash. So guys you have to wait for some time, because this is also a server issue on Gcash app. So guys you have to wait for some minute or an hour. This problem will be automatically solved by the Gcash team, and if you guys having any other problem in Gcash, so guys you can comment me and wait for some time. I hope you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.